Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm Sanjeev from VC Media, and we are here to cover this event on traffic. And on behalf of VC Media, I would like to welcome you. We have with us Arunita Trivedi, who is a key account manager with Cyrotech, and we would like her to give us her brief introduction, and the organization that she works for, and what is it that she is showcasing here at this traffic expo.
Okay. So, hi everyone. So I've just met him, and I'm Arunita. I'm the key accounts manager as well as the product head for the entrance automation division in Cyrotech Networks. We are a 30-year-old organization based out of Noida, and basically we have started in the domain of fiber optics. We are manufacturing FTTH fiber optics, and 5 years down the line we've been into the entrance automation and surveillance division. Giving you a brief about my product, जब हम entrance automation की बात कर रहे हैं, we are an Indian OEM, a manufacturer for boom barriers, as you can see here, UHF readers and ANPR cameras. तो हमारा जो segment है, it's widely divided between commercial barriers, toll barriers and residential barriers. तो हम एक end-to-end solution अपने customers को देते हैं, design करते हैं, उनके needs के हिसाब से modern technologies को in-cash करते हुए.
Okay. So some of the products that you have, can this?
Yeah, sure. So here you can see our boom barrier. So this is a toll boom barrier. We have been manufacturing this here in our factories in Noida, and this is a 0.6 seconds DC barrier which is widely supplied to the toll industry in India. तो हमारे customers में जो भी NHAI और IHMCL आप सब जानते ही होंगे, उनके जो lead service providers हैं, हम उनके लिए manufacture and supply करते हैं products. If you let's walk around to the booth further. आप देख सकते हैं कि we've covered the toll booth management, TMS and ATMS आप जैसे कि जानते हैं, हम उन्हें cover करते हैं और उनके लिए manufacture करते हैं. Next segment I'll take you to the residential segment. आजकल ज़माना है gated societies का. Everywhere do you see a gated society? तो उसके लिए we have designed this intelligent parking system जिसको आप end to end पूरा UHF reader से integrate करके we can provide hassle free entries to the people who are living in the societies. This is entirely operating on RFID technology.
Okay.
So UHF readers, they're inside, so I'll give you a brief about it. And then the same segment repeats. So let's walk into the okay, so next, we are also working on the free flow, multi-lane free flow technology. Okay, so you heard about it. It's like at this moment at the Dwarka Expressway में अगर आप जाएंगे तो वहाँ free flow highways का इन लोगों ने बात की है, जिसमें हम UHF readers के माध्यम से entries को without boom barrier toll entries में facilitate करेंगे. तो हम उस पे काम कर रहे हैं.
So it will read the RFID from the vehicle and then allow you to pass.
Yes. So basically, how RF free flow works is we use a reader and an antenna जो आपको एक pavement पे लगाया जाएगा. इस तरीके से अगर आप देख पाएंगे, ठीक है, रीडर्स वहाँ पे लगाया जाएगा. ये एंटीनास के थ्रू गाड़ी पास करेगी. मतलब आप ये देख रहे हैं, ये बूथ भी नहीं होंगे वहाँ पर. ये बिल्कुल फ्री होगा. कार्स विल जस्ट फ्लो थ्रू इट और रीडर्स डिटेक्ट करके फास्ट टैग से डिटेक्ट कर लेंगे. A lot of people, अगर आप यहाँ देखेंगे, बहुत लोग इस चीज़ को, टेक्नोलॉजी को, फ्यूचर में बहुत बड़ी टेक्नोलॉजी होने वाली है. इंडिया से जो बूथ हटाकर फ्री फ्लो करेंगे, तो उस केस में वी आर वर्किंग, हमारी टीम उस पर काम कर रही है. पूरा कस्टमर्स,
big quality control check team.
Yes, we have a big R&D team, we have a QC team. क्योंकि हम लोग इन-हाउस प्रोडक्शन करते हैं, तो डिज़ाइन, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सब हम लोग अपनी फैक्ट्रीज में कर रहे हैं.
That's good news.
Thank you.
Anything else you want to communicate to the people? The show?
So we are looking for, we're looking to create value into the business through manufacturing in India and supporting the Make in India vision of our Prime Minister by giving the entire country the opportunity to showcase our products and, you know, create value worldwide, globally. Yes, that's what.
With that, I would like to conclude my question.
Sure.
To you. And VC Media is also coming up with a campaign called Rally for Jobs and Rally for Startups.
Okay.
This is primarily to support people, the organizations, to have a right kind of people in their organization.
Mm-hmm.
For that, we are doing a campaign, and we would like to seek your support in that as we go along.
Sure. Whatever I can do for you, please let me know.
We do.
It's really nice meeting you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.